this that way.
Oh my God. Lehenga.
Hi, how are you?
Hello, my love. It's
How are
good
you?
to see you again.
Same.
Hello,
Good.
hello.
So I have my sisters, Meghadi and Unnati, and Malaika, who's a very sweet friend. All three of them have shopped with me, so they know my style. They know my fashion sense really well. When they see me in an outfit, they'll know that this one is meant for me.
So then, Barkha, the one thing that stood out for me was the fact that, you are a blogger, you work in the fashion space.
Exactly.
So we need to give you something that'll make you stand out, that says, I am the bride and all eyes need to be on me. you know?
Totally, yeah.
So nothing says drama, like an all gold ensemble. It's also got the mirror work. There's a beautiful gota patti chunni.
It's definitely hard to miss. I'm not going to go unnoticed in this for sure. I have to see how heavy it is because I need to be comfortable too.
Absolutely.
But it looks stunning. There are no two thoughts about that.
Do you want to try it on and see how it feels?
Can't wait to do that.
Okay, fab.
This is styled so nicely. Twirl, twirl.
Yeah? What are your thoughts on all gold and mirror work and all that?
I love the way it looks on you, but I think we would need a little bit of color.
Didi, आप बताइए.
I love the work. It looks so good on you. I mean,
It does,
Yeah.
no?
Only thing is, this is one color, so looks like a disco ball little bit. So I want to see. I'm sorry, but I want to see more colors. I'm not liking the tassels.
You're not?
What's your reservation with it?
It's already so heavy with all the mirror. I think the tassels is a bit too much.
Didi, आप बताइए, what is your reservation about this dupatta?
No, I like the dupatta actually. मैं थोड़ी शौक थी कि मेघादी कैसे agree कर रही है और मैं disagree कर रही हूँ.
मैं उसके पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से बोलती कि बरखा को ये अच्छा लगेगा, इसीलिए I liked it.
और मुझे नेट दुपट्टा वैसे ही नहीं पसंद. ऊपर से उसमें टैसल भी है, मिरर वर्क भी है. I thought it was a bit too much. Are you able to walk? Is it too heavy?
I've realized all the outfits are going to be a bit heavy, but I have one function and I should look stunning. That's the main goal.
When a girl walks out in custom couture, the first reaction of the family is always wonderment. And then the little nitpicking comes out. I'm not opposed to it, but I do feel like this is the statement-making look. But no problem, you want color, we'll give you color.
Hi guys.
Hi.
I've taken over Divyak. So, what do you think?
I think this is perfect.
और दीदी आप क्या कहना चाहोगे?
हाँ, this looks very good. थोड़ा बस दुपट्टा मुझे लग रहा है different होता तो.
What's happening? Chunni pe charche. Huh? I knew it. Y'all are not liking the leria or what?
I like it, but I want to see other options, and you just read our mind.
I already anticipated that this Leheria dupatta is going to be a topic. And sometimes I oblige. I'm like, enjoy. You be the stylist for a minute. It's fine. How does this look to us?
I love that it has the cultural touch also.
I like the lehenga. I think she's more comfortable in this one.
Yes.
We can see that, right? I like what you did with the two dupattas as well. I'm just thinking that maybe a different blouse would look better. I'm sorry.
So you're saying you like the pink, you want to see maybe a different colored blouse? Is that what you're saying?
Different shape also.
The
3/4
sleeves.
sleeves. I love this outfit. I think she does too. But can we try something red, maybe?
Hang me in a red dupatta.
That's not happening. So sorry, Malaika, that's not happening. That's just not me.
I feel like we were almost there with our yes moment. But are you saying yes to the dress yet?
For Meghadi, because she really matters for me, I will change the blouse once.
For me, I want to see another option. I'm spoiled for choices, so sorry, but
Another lehenga.
I want to see you before I make the decision.
No, we definitely need tal mail between the three sisters and everybody needs to be on one page. So let's see, let's factor in what Megha is saying and try to put you into something that works for everyone. I definitely think Barkha is getting quite influenced by her sister's opinions because they're kind of like parents to each other. Even if she's really feeling something and they don't, she's probably going to want to act on how they're feeling as well. Megha Didi said that she wanted to maybe see a blouse in a different silhouette.
Yes.
So I've pulled out this one. I just feel a full sleeve blouse might sort of bulk you up a bit. Alternatively, I have a entirely different piece altogether.
I don't like that blouse much. I mean, I prefer this one, the one that I have on. I did not like that blouse. I was like, yeah, too much fabric ho jayega. It was full sleeves, it was high neck, and I had 2 dupattas on. I did not want to hide my figure. I'm very proud of the way I look. So if I have to change, I would rather wear a complete different outfit.
Let's try this one. I remember when Barkha walked in this morning, she had pointed out to one lehenga that look that the girl spots first that she ends up going home with usually. So I thought, let's put her into that next. I'm pretty sure this could be the one.
Hi.
I love it.
You do? Oh my god, I'm loving the reactions already. Checking all boxes.
Yes.
Once I look at myself, you know, are you ready? Do you guys want to come here and support me?
Are you nervous?
We're very nervous.
This is heavy also.
Oh my god. So pretty.
This particular lehenga had all the feels. It was the epitome of the Rajasthani bride. It had the color, it had the gota, it had the full sleeve, it had the dupattas that her sister would like. Let's face the family members.
So guys, final thoughts.
It's a yes for me. I know it's a bit traditional, but I absolutely love it on you.
I love the traditional part. We never thought that would happen.
I think you should go for this.
So it's a yes for me. This
Oh.
dress.
And Malaika, as the Gen Z rep, what's your take on this one?
I love it. We didn't go for red, but the right thing works for me too.
Fantastic. I want to know now how you're feeling, my love.
This is it. It doesn't get much more Rajasthani than this. So I'm totally loving it.
Do you think you've made a decision?
I think I have.
Is it time for me to pop the question?
Yes!
Barkha, my darling,
Yeah.
are you saying yes to the dress?
Yes!
Congratulations.
Thank you.
The undeniable charm of the classics. Fail safe. You can never go wrong. Nothing trendy can ever top a classic. Also, ladies, all of the beautiful clothes that Barkha has worn today are from Abhinav Mishra.
Oh.
He's a creator of some of the most glamorous Indian wear. Congratulations.
I can't believe it. Seriously, I can't believe it.
I am jealous.
You're jealous? He is such a talented designer. Me in one of his pieces, that's like a dream come true. My confidence is increased like 10 times, which is an amazing feeling. I felt so beautiful. I was just hoping that, you know, if anyone else sees me in this dress who looks like me, who can relate to me, she will get that confidence that, okay, once I put on my wedding lehenga, I will also look beautiful.